Nettle, also known as stinging nettle or Urtica dioica, is a wild green plant that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. While it can sting if touched raw due to tiny hairs on its leaves and stems, which release irritating chemicals once it's cooked, dried, or steeped, it's safe and very nutritious. Health benefits of nettle. Nutrient-dense nettle is packed with vitamins and minerals. Vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins. Minerals, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus. Others, antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids. Anti-inflammatory. It has compounds that help reduce inflammation, which may be beneficial for conditions like arthritis and joint pain. Supports detoxification. Nettle is a natural diuretic, meaning it can help your body flush out toxins and excess fluids. Surprisingly, nettle has antihistamine properties and is sometimes used to ease symptoms of hay fever and seasonal allergies. Supports blood health. Thanks to its iron and vitamin C content, nettle is often recommended to help support red blood cell production and combat fatigue or mild anemia. Some early research suggests nettle might help regulate blood sugar levels and promote better cardiovascular health. How to use nettle. Tea. One of the most common forms. Dried nettle leaves steeped in hot water, soup or stews, can be used like spinach after cooking, capsules or tinctures, available as supplements in health stores, smoothies or green powder. You might find powdered nettle for adding to drinks. Precautions. Fresh nettle can sting, so handle it with gloves until it's cooked or dried. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on blood thinners, diuretics, or diabetes meds, talk to your doctor first. It can interact with some medications. Always source nettle from clean, safe areas, not roadside or polluted places.